Hello guys, so this is another drawing of a ballerina's face, and again this did not quite work out to plan, but as I say, every experience is a chance to learn, and yeah, this was quite difficult. The eyes were half closed, her head was very slightly tilted down, and yeah, it just wasn't my 5 minutes. Yeah, so I mean, they all took less than 3 minutes, which was good that I was actually able to create the basic kind of layout and structure within the layout. But all the other, all the aspects and didn't come together in any one drawing. That is far too is too far jutting out. That's too narrow there. The mouth is too full, and the chin's too large. I did actually rub that out, but I don't want to. The thing with this learning method that I utilise, I don't actually rub any lines out. So any line I put down, I have to know that that is the line that I'm going to be putting down. If that makes sense, it's also how I am learning very quickly and wasting less time. So, yeah, not a great experience, not a great sketch, but good learning experience. Yep, let me know what you think. Bye, guys.